Hey, this is Tony again, guys. How you doing? All right, today we're gonna just focus basically on the registration page of setting up your Influx Webinar System. So I'm gonna use one that I already put up so that it's easier to follow along what it looks like. So let's go to this one, and since I showed you last time in my video to basically go from A to Z here, but this time I'm just going to focus mainly on the registration page because the design template and setting up here is pretty straightforward, and I already walked that one through, so this should be fairly simple, but this one might take a little time. So right here, if you click on here, it will open up like this. And these just, if you want to put these in a different language, you can. Make sure you separate by commas and the date and the day also. So that's basically if you were hosting a webinar in Portuguese or in Russians or Japanese, Chinese, put in the date, the month and day, however you like, but just separate by comma. And then the banner setting. If you want to, let me go to, okay, here's what the webinar look like, the registration page of the webinar look like. So let's go and put up a banner and see what the banner will come out at, okay, so that you can see right here, there's nothing here, so show banner, and let me see where this is at. So let's refresh this. So this is the banner right here. So right now the color is all white. So let me just go in here and change this color. Let's put it all red so that it was just that. So it's easier visibly to see, okay? Refresh here. So this is the banner right here, okay? So if you want to, you can create a design and put it there. Upload your image onto here, or if you want to use, if you have it somewhere else and you want to just use the URL from that page and put it here. Yeah. And this right here will tell you exactly how wide and how high the banner is to create something for it, okay? And basically that's pretty much it. So if you hide the banner, of course every time you do that you have to update here. So see, now the banner is gone. So that's it. That's what banner setting is. And the background style setting, see how it looks like here, okay? So let's say that, yeah, this way it's easier to see the color changes. So it's gonna talk about the color here, right here, background. See, this is the background, okay? So, but you can also upload your own image too, and that image will go onto here, okay? Let me just go white here and see what it looks like. Yeah, not bad looking, but maybe a little bit. A little touch of gray on it to give a little offset a little bit. So there you go. So that's the background. Okay, then on the meta information, social share setting here. This basically is it's gonna tell what this is basically just gonna let Google know what this is about the webinar is about, or if you have it, you send it, if someone was searching for it and it shows up, we will let them know what it is. So it's more like it for like the search engines and stuff like that, for people who want to search, or if you want to share it onto your social network and stuff like that. So it's a little bit complicated to understand, but eventually, yeah, things will make come together. Okay, then the main headline. This is where you put. Let's go to the right here. It's easier to explain right here. This is the main headline right here. And this is what I put here. So the main headline, this is where it shows up. Okay. You could also put an image, and if you could also put an image here, if you want, create an image and put it in here. Some people would like to use a banner, and they put a banner here instead. It's up to you how you want to do it. I just prefer writing a text, and I just put the text there. And then the CT area video image setting. This right here. Hang on, sorry, I'm about to sneeze here. This part right here is basically like the frame. Okay, so let's say it's this part right here. So let's just say, I'm gonna change color here so that you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, and so see, it's like the frame, the border. Okay, let's go back. So you could put it any color you want, just individual preference mainly. You can show the image here, because I didn't want to put an image. I just put a show video, so it shows the video here. But if I have an image, I want to show the image, then I put in the image information here, or upload an image. Let's do that and see what happened. Let's go see one of these here that I already have up. Let's just use this one, since this one just stands out. Insert. Now gotta go and save, update, and then let's go and refresh. See, that's where it is. But of course, I'm just gonna show the video. Okay. There you go. So that's how to set up the CT area video image setting. And then the sales copy, this is right here, how to generate that part. Okay, so that's the headline, the color of the headline. Okay, let me copy this down so that let me do that again, because this color changed it. Okay, let's say that I changed that to that color. It should be red now. Okay, I can actually leave it red. It looks pretty nice. So I think I might just leave it red. The theme kind of flow together. And then the main sales copy, basically just information on what some of the subject you're going to talk about and stuff like that. Just go more into detail, and this is this part right here. Okay, So it's probably easier to visually see, compare back and forth like this. Or, you know, instead of writing it out, if you want to like create a image in there, you know, you can do that and then upload it here, insert the image, okay? And then the opt-in headline, right here, you write it. This one I create the image and I put it upload here. You can write it in here however you want it to, and this is this part right here, okay? Opt-in date is set for May 7th, Thursday at this time. So it's set for May 7th, Thursday at this time. Okay, so which is pretty nice. And hosting, if you want to show the host information, this is what it will look like. Right here, you put the information of the host, who's doing it, you know, blah blah blah, all that stuff right here. Host information, photo of the host, in background of the host. But right now I just hide that part, so you don't see it at all right here. And then pay webinar or free webinar, this is however you want it. If you want it paid, put in the information and pay, and then, you know, create a button, put in your PayPal information, all that information in here. So just leave it as free for now. And then this is the opt-in. So if you disable the social button, I prefer that people could log in through their Facebook. So people who want to log in, they can log in through their Facebook instead of putting their information in. And everything here, this is the tricky part. Just gotta go in and create an opt-in form. That will probably be in a different video itself totally. Enter the name, best email, you know, just put it in here, and the webinar, right here. And this is, I create my own little button, so I upload my little own button, this right here. I create that, I upload it here, okay, and pretty much it. And this is once it's closed, you'll get this information that say after the webinar, someone comes in, they'll see this, you know, say it's already done, sorry. So you keep a default and a thank you, so it's all the presets and stuff like that. The save update, and then that pretty much it for your registration page. I hope this has helped you to understand on how to set up your registration page in the InfluxEntrepreneur webinar system. Go get yours now. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.